Huwag kayong cross, okay? Okay, follow the crown, mag-cross na tayo ngayon guys, mag-cross na tayo. Naka-defensive sila, nakakite sila. Natapon ako guys, So, looking yung collar nila guys. Let's move southwest. Go southwest with me guys. Okay, mag-set sila guys. Defensive, ready, defensive. Everyone defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice damage. Okay, ready. Reset. 10 seconds ako guys. Nice one. Okay, move southwest. Okay, looking yung corner nila. Defensive. We will counter engage guys. 7 seconds ako. 7 seconds. Okay, follow the crown. We set guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Okay, move northeast. Everyone, wag muna kayong humabol. Okay, hold this position. Hold this with the crown. Hold with the crown. Choke point to. May ina sila. Choke point to guys, choke point to. May ina sila. Defensive. Okay, punta kayo sa crown guys. Hanapin yung crown guys. We will engage guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me guys. Drop your E. Nice one. Okay, hold this position. Choke point yan. Wag kayong papasok. Choke point. Wag kayong papasok guys. Back southeast. Go southeast. Everyone go southeast. Si Axe lang yung nawala sa atin, saka si Barsky nga. Okay guys, hold this position. Let them come in. Okay, yung may D-tank na mark, yung collar ha. Okay, hold this position. Defensive, everyone. Defensive. Nice one. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3,
yung namatay, wag bumalik.
1. Drop your E. Nice one. Okay, move back southeast. Ready defensive kasi choke point to. Ready defensive. Okay. Go back, hold this position. Everyone reset on the crown. Uy. Ba't nyo finalo?
Guys, wag bumalik yung yung namatay.
Guys, ba't kayo sumugod guys? Uy guys, dito, back. Ba't kayo sumugod? Choke point yan. Okay, dito lang muna. We will regroup. Okay, choke point to guys ha. Point to, okay, we will move. Sige.
Pag namatay, wag mo na lalabas. Hintayin nyo magsabihin namin lumabas ulit kayo. Okay?
Sige. Okay.
Kumbaga, lang to, parang sa black zone. Pag namatay kayo, wala muna kayo. Diba? Ganun lang yun.
Sige. Walang zombie.
Walang
Okay.
zombie.
Okay, let's go guys. Move
Okay,
northeast. Guys, makinig kayo guys pag sinabi kong hold guys ha. Okay, thank you very much. Okay guys, let's go psychopath. Let's go. Hold this with the crown. Hold the defensive. Nice one. We will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Everyone. Nice one. Nice. Do damage guys. Move northwest. Yung DPS natin. DPS and brawlers. Hold this choke point. Nice hold guys. 10 seconds ako guys. Akyat na guys. Yung mga DPS, akyat dito. Follow the crown. Go east. Push. Okay, we will engage. DPS on me. Everyone, DPS on me. Kasi mag-engage tayo within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me guys. Nice one. Okay, defensive. Looking corner na defensive. Nice one. Hold this position. With the crown. Choke point yan guys. 10 seconds ako. Move. Push guys. Push. Everyone push. Okay. So 5 seconds na lang ako guys ha. Okay, hold this position. Defensive sila.
GG daw, GG. Atras muna.
Okay.
Atras.
Nice one.
Ayun rin, pag namatay yung marami, mag-GG rin kayo para di na kayo.
Okay, let's go back on the ping.
Yeah.
Follow the crown.
The fuck?
Nice one.
Sarap ng perma ko, tangina.
Uy, sila
Kapitan
nag-set
yan.
ng ano, may IP. Ba't tayo inaano nila?
Hindi,
Gano'n
nagkamali
naman.
kayo.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya nag-chat kasi with IP, really? Sila naggawa nun eh. Huwag tayo
Wait niyo ako
sisihin.
guys wait niyo ako guys. Ayun.
Oh my god,
reconnect.
nag-reconnecting ako.
Albion ata, Albion.
Reconnecting.
Pascount ako sa
Gagawin
nila
mo,
pag na sila.
Yun lang naman sila.
Dug.
Guys, klaro ba yung boses ko guys?
Oh
Mm.
yes, Sonic niya. Ay, nalakas na damage ni
So?
Kapitan eh, no?
So what kung Infinity with Clap? Brawler ako.
Okay, dito na sila guys ha.
G daw, G daw, G,
Try
G,
natin.
G.
Guys, ready your defensive kasi pauunahin natin silang mag-clap sa choke point. Okay. Okay, pauunahin natin silang mag-clap sa
Shit.
choke point guys ha. Ready your defensive para mag-counter engage tayo nasa choke sila. Within 10 seconds, pag di sila pumasok, tayo yung bababa. Okay? So, pag di sila pumasok, let's go guys. Move with the crown. DPS on the crown. DPS on the crown. D-tanks on me. Nice one. Nice one. Nasaan sila? Let's go southeast, 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 southeast. Protect my southwest. Okay, engaging sila guys. Defensive, defensive, everyone. So we will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Ubus sila,
Holy
ubus sila,
my
ubus
God.
sila, ubus sila, ubus sila, ubus sila, ubus sila, ubus sila. Okay? Ready guys, ready guys, ready nyo guys. Move, push southwest, push southwest. Wala silang clap, wala silang clap. Okay, push southwest within 10 seconds. Babalik tayo guys ha. Move, push everyone, push. Okay, full turn south northeast, full turn northeast. Patayin yung caller, patayin yung caller. Defensive. Okay, move northeast everyone. Move northeast. Nare-reset tayo. Reset. Everyone. Wala yung perma natin.
Hindi ako napag-giga,
So-
cooldown. Fuck.
Okay, so G pa ba yung mga DPS natin? Si Busnok lang.
G pa.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go guys, let's go. Nice team. Hold this choke point. Papasokin natin yung caller nila. Ito na yung HOG ha.
Purple.
Okay, defensive guys, defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice damage.
My God.
Everyone. Nice damage.
Grabe
Okay,
damage.
back. No, back choke point to. Back guys. Back northeast. Baka maulitin sa golem. No zombie. Yes, no zombie. Okay. Northeast.
Huwag mo ako sundan. Brawler ako.
Yes, yung mga ditangs natin ng brawler, huwag yung sundan. Okay, guys. We will move. Let's go. Okay na yung mga skills natin. Cooldown na. Let's go. So, choke point to guys ha. Choke point to ha. Mauna ditang. Okay, ready yung mga dashes nyo guys. Okay, defensive.
Oh shit.
Defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me guys. Uy, nauna. Dyan. So, nice one. Nice catch. Nice one. Okay, push guys. Push lang guys. Go brawl. Find the crown. Northwest. Okay, nice one. Wag muna mag-random yung mga DPS natin ha. Okay, push nyo. Ingatan yung choke point guys. Defensive, everyone. Defensive. We will clap guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E guys. Drop your E. Everything. Nice one. Nice damage guys. Nice damage. Okay, naka-defensive sila dyan ha. Okay, move. Puntayin nyo yung mga mga brawler natin guys. Let's go. Habulin sila. Healers. Let's go healers. Yung mga DPS natin guys. Papap ako sa Knight Armor ha, pag may bedrock. Okay, let's go guys. 5 seconds ako. Defensive. Nice one. Okay, look northeast within 5, 4, 3. Wait lang, cancel. Wala pa akong dash. Okay. Cancel, reset. Okay, nice one. Patayin to. Nice one. No zombie guys ha, no zombie daw. Okay, nasan sila? Bigyan information. Hindi pa ba nag-GG's?
Wala pa. Ay,
Okay. GG's na?
G daw
Okay.
muna.
Form
Boost lang.
come here, center of the map. Come to the crown, come to the ping. Regroup. Everyone, yung mga namatay, punta na dito. Kanina pa.
Walang
Yung mga
flow,
brawlers
flow,
natin
18.
and yung mga ditangs
Eh.
natin, yung mga frontliners, pasabi lang pag nag-GG's na sila.
Ang ganda ng pwestuhan ko, putang ila.
Okay, regroup on the ping, guys.
They come here, but I'm here, oh.
Guys, pag ganun guys, sumusunod tayo. Tayong kumpul-kumpul guys.
Guys,
All-
no
all-
zombie, psycho.
No zombie ah.
Wala sa inyo? Okay.
Oo.
Okay, sige.
lawanin pa, sabi ako sa mga kasama dyan.
Sila ngayon bumabalik eh. Hindi,
Sila
nakamount
nabalik.
up silang bumabalik. Nakamount
Sila
silang nabalik. Oo.
Okay, sabihin
Kailangan
lang.
dismount. Naghalo.
Sana wala
Okay,
naman sa
stop.
pinag-usapan yan ah.
Okay, nandun na sila daw. Protect these stairs guys with the crown. Protect these stairs. Okay guys, wait natin sila guys. If we have visuals,
Gina daw.
okay.
Gina. Nasa loob na ako eh.
Okay, come here. Okay, baba kayo guys, baba. Mga brawlers natin, baba kayo lahat.
Engage. Wala siyang engage.
Baba. Asan sila? Okay, dito, look on southwest. Look southwest. Nasa southwest yung kita ko. Ay, wala palang daan dito sa south. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Saan yung mga healers natin? This one. Okay guys, looking yung collar nila dito guys, looking yung collar nila, defensive. We will counter engage. We will counter engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop UE on me guys, drop UE. Okay, back guys. Kompleto pa sila. Go northeast, everyone go northeast. Everyone DPS, go northeast. Pahila ko sa mga brawlers natin sa front line. Pahila ko sa front line. Nice one. So 10 seconds lang guys Hold this muna. Okay. Go southwest. Ingat sa choke point. Spread kayo dito guys. Defensive. We'll counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, and cancel guys. Hindi ako makadaan. Sorry. Okay. We will reset guys in 5. Okay, reset. Spread dito. At least walang namatay. Okay, wag niyong sundan yung mga brawlers natin guys. Saka sa crown lang kayo, especially DPS. Okay, let's move northwest. Okay guys, looking yung collar na guys. Spread. Defensive. We will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop UE. Nice one. Do damage. Everyone. Nice one. Push. Go brawl. Guys, go brawl. Nice one. Patayin yung sa center line natin. Go brawl. Pahila ko sa front line. Healers. May sila guys Okay. Roll nyo to nahuli. Okay, 5 seconds ako guys. Go. Push northeast. Push northeast. GG's na daw.
GG.
Back. GG's.
Baba mo na.
Next one. Reform on the middle point. Let's go.
Luging-lugi sila. Walang IP cap yung sa akin. Hindi na ako mapatay.
Hindi lang mapat.
Walang IP cap rin. Naka 8-4 akong heal yun.
Lumayo
Wala,
mo.
di nila ng tapos yun.
Saan yung dan?
Naka 8-4 akong heal yun jacket. Walang IP cap. Lala
Ano
nun.
IP
Inaabot
mo?
ng yun eh.
Hindi nila ako mapatay.
Pascout ako guys.
IP
Pascout.
mo? Ano IP?
Ilan yung item mo?
Hindi. Wala pa man 1-6. Wala man 1-6 yung IP ko.
Dito tayo dan guys. Let's go northwest. Dan
Around
tayo
2 IP
dito. Everyone mount up everyone. Mount up.
Mars ba?
Alam mo maganda dyan ah. Ay, hindi. Never mind.
Wala pa bawas potion.
In the front, dismount.
Palit nga ako. Bomba. Isa lang
Ready
round.
na daw.
Okay, ready na. Okay, nandun na guys Okay, follow the crown guys, follow the crown. Everyone. Hold this muna. Okay, go southeast. Follow the crown, DPS. Mag-spread kayo DPS Mag-spread kayo. Okay, follow lang guys. Okay, mag-clap sila guys within 5. Defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oy. Nice one. Do damage. Okay, back guys. Back. Reset. E-tanks, rollers. Nice one. Pahila ko sa front line. Go northeast. Okay. Ilan yung namatay sa atin? Si Yahweh na. Anong role ni Yahweh? Root bound. Okay, defensive guys, defensive. Oh,
Wala. Fake.
That's fake. Okay, hold this. Back. Defensive guys, defensive. Wala. Fake. This one. Nag-buff ng defensive. Okay guys. Zip tired, okay. Ready guys, papasok tayo within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop UE on me guys. Drop UE. Everything. Okay. Go back guys. Go back. Winning defensive nila. Go back guys. Go back. Walk northeast. Heal the front line. Go northeast. Okay guys, so 8 seconds ako. Okay, reposition, defensive. Pa-defense ako sa kanila. Kay makabwa. Okay, we will engage in 5. Kaya niyo bang humabol? In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop yung E. Nice one. Do damage, everyone. Nice one. Ready defensive. Nandiyan yung caller nila. Okay, wag pong follow. Wag follow. Back guys. Wag niyo i-follow. Defensive. Wag i-follow pag yung callering nahuli. Wag i-follow. Pabayaan yung atin and tanks. Okay, yung DPS pag i-protect. Okay guys, 5 seconds ako. Let's go in. Okay, within 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop yung isa dalawa. Nice one. Okay, reset guys, reset. May ina yan. Okay, nice one. Walang nawala sa part natin. Isa. Huwag mag-zombie
Ako lang namamatay, dito lang ako sa base.
Si Yahweh. Okay, hold this guys. Huwag kayong lalapit sa choke point guys. Hayan yung mga brawlers natin ng D-tanks. Okay guys, follow the crown. After the smoke bomb, we will engage guys. After the smoke bomb.
Patay doon.
Don't go choke point.
Patay sila.
Hindi nakapatay.
Ako.
Grabe, sakit ng damage. Okay guys, everyone move on the choke point. Everyone, fast. Nice night armor. Oh. Okay, go. Ready nyo. Spread. Nandito yung caller. Spread. Defensive. We will counter engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice job. Okay, push natin guys. Push natin. Nandito yung caller sa southwest Nasa kay Kapitan Lin. Hold this one. Yung baba choke point. Hold this one. Nandito yung caller nila. Hold this one. Huwag kayong bababa. Nahuli yung caller. Yan, random nyo lang. Okay, patay natin yung caller. In 5, 4, 3, 2, drop yung E. Back guys. Back. Wala na silang caller. Back muna dito guys. Okay, we will move. Puntahan natin yung mga brawlers natin guys. 15 seconds ako. Sabi niyo lang pag nag-GG's. Okay, 9 seconds ako. Sabi, GG na daw. Back.
Pwede na ako pumasok.
Mount up everyone. Mount up. Yung mga mount up. Okay, let's go back sa center. Ganun guys pag nag-cleric call yung caller, matik na yun guys na i-burst natin.
Ang basic.
Kailangan i-GOG ba natin?
Gago, nakaguti ako ng walang IP cap. Paano hindi magiging basic yan?
Tanga na ako rin.
Saan may VOD din naman ako.
Hindi ba pwede yung bumalik yung zombie?
Zombie nga eh. No zombie nga eh. Bawal
Pag
bumalik.
nag-GG lang sila.
Okay.
Kung nag-GG,
GG lang.
Okay. Bumalik ako
Okay, G na daw.
Mag-GG rin kayo.
G na daw. Okay. Clear comms tayo guys. Hold this choke point. Okay, yung mga DPS natin, wag niyo i-follow yung mga front lines natin Okay, let's go. Move. Safe pa tayo dito. Okay, spread on this guys. Spread on this the one. Okay, we will engage in 5. Okay, defensive muna. Okay, nice one. That's effect. Defensive. Nice one. We will counter engage. Okay, we will counter engage in 5, in 4. Okay, natapon ako guys. Na-regroup muna kayo guys. Nahati tayo guys Nahati tayo. Okay, we will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your E on me. Drop your E on me. Na-silence ako guys. Sorry. Nice one. Nice damage. Okay, defensive. Ready ah. Ready na yung mga inyan. Okay, move south northeast. Move northeast guys. Move northeast muna. Reset muna tayo. Move northeast. Ayan yung muna yung mga front lines natin. Dito tayo sa likod. Okay, everyone. Fast, everyone. On me. We will clap in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop your E on me. This one. Nice damage. Okay, move northwest, guys. Move northwest. Nalikuran tayo. Move northwest. Mga, uy, patay yung mga DPS ba natin? Okay, hold this position. 7 seconds ako. Push northeast. Push northeast. GG's daw. Sige, back.
Sabi sa alay.
Kaya, i-address ko yan mamaya. Kitang-kita sa wood clat yan. Yung calls ng Ama Rider na pinapapunta na kayo ng northwest, northeast. Tapos meron pa rin nagda-drop ng east.
Sabi niyo lang. GG's na daw? Tapos na? 8 na.
One more pa.
Guys, wait lang. Ayusin nyo next kasi epic up na to.
Wala na yung advantage natin na nandito.
Alright.
Alala ko tuloy yung 8.4 ni Boss Zen. Unang-unang screen.
Legend. Okay na.
Sarap yan, ang Bombay, no? Nakakamla, no? Sino yung nasa taas? Ni Kapitan, ah.
Kapitan din.
Hilyo. Hilyo si
Heal niyo si Kapitan.
Putang ina niyo.
Nabog.
Gagi, oh, boss.
Ano ba yan?
Patay ako.
Langabot pa kaya sa taas. Hindi nakaabot.
Ay, putang ina niyo mga to.
Wala palang IP cap. Ano pala yung pinakamataas sa kanila? 2-7.
22 minutes yung laban. Okay.
Gagawas na taas yun.
Gago.